So this morning we are going to show you how to flat mount a photograph like this onto a piece of MDF hardboard. So stick around. So let's talk about the materials that we're going to be using today. Of course, first we're going to have our photo. You can use any size photo. This is a 16 by 24 image that I have. We're going to need a new razor blade, some sort of roller. You can actually use a rolling tube, a packing tube. I've got this roller I use. You can use a rolling pin. You're going to need some sort of a surface to cut on when you trim. Paper towels, a photo-safe adhesive spray. There's a brand out here, it's number 45, works real good. And then whatever you're going to be mounting to. This is a piece of 1/4 inch MDF, and it's undercut just a little bit. So my print's a 16 by 24. I have a 15 3/4 by 23 3/4. And we'll show you why we do that in a minute. So the first thing we want to do here is we actually want to get this photograph really dust free. That dust will show up if it gets trapped in between the backer board and the photograph. So we're just going to get a paper towel. Make sure we wipe all that dust off. Roll this up, and then you're just going to set it off to the side. So now you're going to get your backer board here, and you're going to want to make sure that this is dusted off, completely dust free. Very important, front and back. Figure out which is the smooth side, which side you want to mount on. So if we're going to go ahead and mount, on this side. You get your spray adhesive. You're going to want to do this outside because there's always some overspray. You start spraying the spray adhesive on. Make sure you get the edges real good. So that's where that photo is going to peel up if you ever have a problem. Now you want to grab this by the edges. It's going to be sticky. And take this inside the house. Okay, now we've got the backer sprayed down with the adhesive glue. You're going to want to lay this picture just on the edge. You have an 1/8 inch overlap on each side because remember we cut a 1/4 off. You're just going to want to allow that to lay down. Paper towel, nice and easy. Press that center in. I don't really rub across the surface, I just kind of press down on it. Real light, real gentle. Put a lint-free cloth over top, and now you can start pressing it out. Almost done here. All right, so there's the image mounted, and now we just need to trim it up. So what you'll have here is a little bit of overlap from that picture. Remember, because this board is undersized, 1/4 inch. Smaller prints, you don't have to undersize it as much. All right, now you're just going to get your razor blade and just trim that overhang off. So here you go, here you have it. A nicely mounted image on a flat surface. You can mount this any way you want it to a wall. You can put standoffs on it, flush mount it. You can actually put this in a picture frame. But there you have it. So from Stonebroke Adventure, till next time, bloop.